Hi, hello. Welcome to MBA Solutions. I am Manjunath, working as an assistant professor at VVC MBA Department, Mysuru. In this video, let us discuss what is combination and try to solve some of the problems related to combination in mathematics. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more notifications on these kind of videos. Let us understand what is combination. The combination is grouping of items. We group certain set of items by taking a particular quantity at a time. So we take particular quantity and we group those items out of total quantity available. So for example, let us say there are 1,000 books in the library, and these 1,000 books is total quantity available. Out of these 1,000 books, I may consider 500 books to be grouped, and these books might have management related books and engineering related books. So I group based on management and engineering related group, but I am taking a particular quantity, that is 500, and the total quantity is 1,000. Now the formula for this combination is NCR. N equals total quantity and R equals the quantity or particular quantity which we have chosen to group, that is particular quantity. So now the formula for this NCR equals factorial N divided by factorial R into N minus R factor. Okay, in this case if you want to write, it is 1000 factorial 1000 divided by factorial 500 into factorial 1000 minus 500. We'll try to understand this by solving some of the problems. So here an accounts officer knows 12 officers, of whom 8 are from his or her department. In how many ways can 7 officers be invited to attend a meeting in such a way that 5 officers are always from his department? So from his department or from accounts officer department, there are 8 members or people whom or officers whom he knows. So 8 officers he knows from his department, and rest 4 officers are from other department. So they belong to other department. Now what the you have to select 7 officers. So R equals, you have to select 7 officers, but there's a condition. When you want to select 7 officers to attend a meeting, you have to select in such a way that 5 officers belong to his team. That means out of 8 officers, you want to select 5 officers minimum. And out of remaining 4 officers, he has to select 2 officers. So this 5 is compulsory, and out of the 4 other officers, that is other department officers, he can or they can select 2. But out of 8 officers who belong to his team, you have to select 5. So this is how we write. So total out of 12, you are selecting 7. That is why we have written like this: 8C5 into 4C2. Now let us apply the formula for this. So 8C5 equals factorial 8 divided by factorial 5 into factorial 8 minus 5 into factorial 4 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 4 minus 2. So if you solve this, you will get 56 into 6, that is equal to 330. So in 336 different ways, officers can be selected, where 5 officers are selected based on his own department and 2 officers are selected from outside the department. Now let us see one more problem on combination. A financial service provider has 3 chartered accountants. Each must pass 25 income tax return per day. So N is 25. But in a day, one can audit 4 of them with accuracy. In how many ways can they select 4 to be audited? So here R equals 4. So we say NCR, that is factorial n divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. So here it is 25C4. So factorial 25 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 25 minus 4. This becomes 25 factorial 25 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 21. And if you calculate this, you can write the numerator like this: 25 into 24 into 23 into 22 into factorial 21, because you can cancel factorial 21. Then factorial 4 you can write as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and into factorial 21. This 21 factorial 21, this factorial 21 gets cancelled, and if you calculate this, you will get the answer 12,600. In 12,650 different ways, the 4 statement can be audited or selected for auditing. Okay. Now let us try out some other problems under combination. To discuss various issues, the general manager gave order to set up a committee of 6 members among 7 officers from finance department and 4 officers from marketing department. So totally you have to select 6 members, and there are how many people? There are 7 and 4, 7 from finance and 4 from marketing, that is you have 11. In how many ways can the committee be formed if the committee should have minimum 2 members from marketing department? So this 11, in that 11, finance team has 7 officers, marketing team has 4 officers. But the condition says you have to select 6, yes, but minimum 2 should be there from marketing department. Minimum 2, it could be 3, it could be 4 also. So let us see what are the different probable ways in which we can, or what are the different ways in which we can select these people. For example, if I select all 4 marketing executives, marketing people, the committee, out of 4 I am selecting all 4, and out of 7 I am selecting another 2 from finance. This is one way of doing. Or I can select 3 out of 4 from marketing and 3 from finance out of 7. And one more is I can select 2 from marketing, minimum 2, that is I am selecting 2 from marketing and another 4 from finance. If you see, out of 11 I am selecting 6, out of 11, here also out of 11 I am selecting 6, here also out of 11 I am selecting 6, out of 11 I am selecting 6, but I am trying to fulfill the condition given in the problem. So these are the probable ways, or these are the ways in which we can do selection based on the condition given in the problem. If you calculate this will come to 21, this will be 140, and this will be 210. And please remember, here for C4 you will get factorial 0. The factorial 0 is always 1. In the calculation you cannot consider this as 0, factorial 0 is always 1. And if we add all this, we get 371. So in 371 different ways, we can select 6 members for the committee, in which minimum 2 members belong to marketing department. Now let us see one more problem. A cricket team has 14 players. In how many ways the manager can pick up 11 players if captain, first condition, if captain and vice captain and one particular player should always be included. So you have to include 3 people. So there are 14 players. Out of 14, you are always including 3 participants. Now, so these 3 are always should be a part of the committee or team. Now the remaining is only 11, because 3 should be always the part. Out of 11, you have to select 8 more to make the team 11. So now you can write, see, this analysis is very important, because now you have to select 8 out of 11, because 3 already got selected by default. So it is 11C8, and if you calculate this, that is factorial 11 divided by factorial 8 into factorial 11 minus 8, you will get 165. So in 165 ways, you can select 8 people out of 11, provided captain, vice captain and one particular player has always been included in the team. Now let us see, for the same problem, let us see one more condition. If 3 particular players should always be excluded, so that means out of 14 you are removing 3 always, that means the remaining is 11 and you have to select all 11. So if you calculate factorial 11 divided by factorial 11 into factorial 11 minus 11, because you have got only 11 players and out of all 11 you have to select 11, because 3 players you are always excluding, that means you are not including them, you are removing them always. So you have only that option. So in that, factorial 11 divided by factorial 11 into factorial 0, this is 1, factorial 0 is 1, so this you gets cancelled. You have only one way in selecting 11 candidates or 11 players from all 11 players. Now, to resolve an issue relating to water sharing, a water tribunal comprising of 5 members were required and to be formed out of 14 members. So here there are 14 members, and in that 14 members you have to select 5 members, that is R equals 5. But there are some conditions. But before that, from the list of members it was found that 2 members had full information about all the earlier proceedings. It was also seen that 3 members who were in the earlier committee did not agree to any of these terms. In how many ways can the tribunal of 5 members be formed if the 2 members should always be in the committee? So there should be always 2 members in the committee. Out of 5, 2 are fixed. And out of 14, if you remove 2, it is 12. Now you have to, out of 12, you have to select 3. 12C3. So out of 12, you have to select 3. And this, if you calculate, it is factorial 12 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 12 minus 3, because 2 members always got selected or already got selected, and when 2 members already got selected, the remaining 3 has to be selected out of 12. That is 220 different ways to calculate this. You can select this committee where 2 already got selected. Now let us see the next condition. The 3 members should always be excluded from the committee. That means out of 14 members, 3 members should always be excluded. That means they should not be included. That means out of 11, now you have to select 5. So n is 11, R is 5 in this particular condition. So 11C5. If you calculate, you get factorial 11 divided by factorial 5 into factorial 11 minus 5. Then you will get 462 ways. 462 ways. This is how we calculate combination in mathematics. Thank you very much for watching the video.